Hermann Baisch was born on July 12, 1846, Dresden, died June 18, 1894, Karlsruhe. He was a German painter and illustrator who specialized in landscapes and animals. He was one of the first artists in Germany to work in the French-influenced paysage intime style. In 1881, became a professor of animal painting at the Grand-Ducal Baden Art School. In order that his students could learn to paint from nature, he built an open-air studio, going so far as to buy a cow and some other small animals. He also took numerous trips to Holland and the Alps to paint landscapes.